Hi guys, welcome back to Postcards to Texas. Today I'm going to talk about Japanese, so come take a look.
Lezter.
Japanese has four alphabets. We have hiragana, katakana, romaji, and kanji. So hiragana is like the everyday stuff, like when you're speaking like hello or names of animals, things like that. So the hiragana is more fluid, and I'm going to put some hiragana symbols around somewhere. Actually, Japanese in general is a little bit different. The phonics, it's it's a, e, u, e, o. Instead of, like, we have a, e, I, o, u, is a, e, I, o, u. Is different. So, yeah, I'm gonna put the sounds when I say them right. Yeah, okay. Okay, that was hiragana. Katakana, ding ding, is words that they don't normally have in Japanese or in Japan that are taken or borrowed from other countries. So like names of countries like America or England or Mexico or something. Also like foreign words like hamburger would be a foreign word because it comes from another country. Video games or computer, and they all kind of sound like the name. So like computer is computa or something like that. Yeah. Alright guys, so ROMAJI, ding ding, right here. Okay. So ROMAJI is since Japanese is a script language, we need to be able to read it in like Roman or Latin alphabet. So it's like pinyin for Chinese or something like that, if you understand what I'm saying. I don't know. Here, I'll show an example right here. So like ROMAJI letters here. It's like the way you... Okay, so kanji. Kanji is Chinese characters that were put into Japanese. So you'll have Chinese characters that they use those because it's easier to write out than writing out the hiragana or katakana, because those two are just sounds, and Chinese characters, one symbol means one word, so that's easier than writing konnichiwa instead of just konnichiwa or something. It's easier to learn, but they're more complicated and you have to learn 2,000 of them, the Japanese and what they mean. So you'd have to learn the way they sound in Japanese and what it is. So it's like you're learning kanji twice, kind of. If that makes. But yeah. Also, hiragana and katakana have about 100 or so sounds. There's not too many, so they're easier to learn. But yeah, so we got hiragana, katakana, romaji, kanji, yee. Alright, so that's it for today. That's my little intro to Japanese language, and those were the alphabets. So give us a big like, big thumbs up, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye!